we'll guide you through how to install DaVinci Resolve on Linux. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Blackmagic Design website to download DaVinci Resolve. You'll need to scroll down to find the Linux version, and then click on the download link. Once the download is complete, you'll have a zip file. Extract the contents of this zip file to a directory of your choice. Next, open your terminal and navigate to the extracted folder. You need to make the installer executable, so type the command chmod +x DaVinci Resolve installer.run and press enter. After that, you can run the installer by typing /DaVinci Resolve installer.run in the terminal and hit enter. The installation wizard will pop up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. It may ask for your root password to proceed, so be ready to provide that. Once installed, you can find DaVinci Resolve in your Applications menu. Open it up to start editing. If you encounter any dependency issues, make sure your system is up to date and that you have the necessary libraries, such as libssl and libcrypto. These can usually be installed via your package manager. Remember, DaVinci Resolve is a resource-intensive application, so ensure your system meets the minimum requirements. You might need to tweak your system settings for optimal performance. And there you have it. DaVinci Resolve is now installed on your Linux system. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.